The stuff I do in research is about how we find our way around the environment. As you can see from the thing behind me, I do kind of virtual mazes to allow people for us to look at what kind of cues do people use to find where things are. I've been working with somebody over in the hospital looking at how epilepsy can affect your spatial memory, because it can reduce the level of new cells that come into the hippocampus, which is what is the big area of the brain which controls spatial memory and those sorts of things. So we look at how do these kind of things affect your memory of where you are within the environment, and how that affects whether you can remember where your keys are, where you've left the car. In terms of my teaching, I do a couple of lecture courses. One of them is, again, behavioural neuroscience, which is looking at what the brain does and how the brain controls different kind of emotions. So how the brain controls, again, spatial learning type stuff, and how the brain controls eating, and times when it goes wrong, how does it affect obesity and those sorts of things.